just won't start to race. The minute that my lifetime meets your waist, and then I watch your face pump.
All I